Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to resize images in Google Docs on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your mobile, I just open Google Docs application. I just create a new document. In my downside, you will find a plus button over here. Just click the plus button and click a new document. So my new document is created. I just want to change into view light theme over here. So now I just want to bring the images in my document. How to bring the images? Just go to Google and I just find some images over here. So just long press on that, copy the image. So I just go to the same Google Docs over here, just long press on that, I can paste the image. Now the time I just want to resize this image, what I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. In my right hand side corner, you will find a three dot option in your Google Docs over here, as you see here. So just hit the button in the three dots. So once you click a three dots option, you will find a print layout over here. Just enable the print layout option in your thing. Once you enable the print layout, you can just select the image. Automatically you will get the box over here, as you see here. So simple and easiest way, you can drag and drop the image and you can resize the image, as you see here. So you want to enlarge the size, you can reduce the size. Also you can make it in your Google Docs from your mobile phone itself. You can remove this print layout, means you will get a simple layout option. If you enable this print layout, automatically you will get a resize option, so that you can resize and crop the image according to your need and you can place using your image. I just want to bring one more images over here. I just click enter option to choose some kind of images over here. I just want to use the copy image, just paste the image over here. So just long press on that image and paste the image over here. So just long press and paste the image. Now I just enlarge the size of the image and I can able to keep it in my same page itself. This is a simple and easiest way. Please enable this print layout to resize your entire image using your mobile phone in Google Docs. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.